Why property management matters. Property management, it's kind of in the name, right? You want to manage that property to the best of your ability. Good management gives you cash flow. That's kind of how it breaks down. If you think about it holistically, that good property management makes better investments, you might actually invest in property management a little bit differently. So property management is actually the most important thing for your rental house, for your investment portfolio. Guys, you got the stock market, right? You've got Coca-Cola stock. You can go buy that. Well, if you are invested in Coca-Cola stock, guess what they have? Managers. They have people that are paid to take care of that asset, to grow it, and to hopefully pay you a little dividend, right? Same thing with your rental property. It is your asset. Why not have a manager for it, right? And it can be you. We'll talk about that. But good property management is going to increase your cash flow through reduced vacancy. Y'all, 1 month of vacancy is 10%-ish of your revenue. Guys, if Coca-Cola called and had an investor call, and Warren Buffett's on there, and he said, hey guys, we're vacant this month, 10% off top line revenue for Coca-Cola. You think those investors would be happy? No. Should you be happy with a vacant property for 30 days? No. If you treat it like that, 10% off top line revenue, if you actually digest that, you will respect and treat your property management with the respect that it needs. All right, so think about that. Really pay attention to that. What are the numbers? What's the impact of bad management? So when you can minimize expenses, tenant satisfaction. Why is tenant satisfaction important? Yeah, you want them to stay because vacancy destroys your cash flow, okay? So when you have good management, you can have happy tenants. And the crazy thing is that happy tenants will actually pay more because they're happy and they like the service. And you know what? It's a place to live, and if you take care of them, they're going to want to stay. And then lower maintenance costs, okay? So that's how you help with your cash flow. How about building wealth? Building wealth through real estate investing is a tried and true thing that's been preached for years. Did y'all know that that's accessible to everybody in this room? Do y'all believe that? Does everybody believe that? I can't hear you. I need to hear this. Yes. Okay. Y'all, it's been talked about on late night TV for as long as I can think of, right? Y'all seen it, although probably not anymore. I don't watch late night TV. I don't have time, and the kids make me tired. I go to sleep so early. I can't do it. But building wealth through real estate is it's the American way of doing it because it's accessible to everybody in this room. We have lenders right back there that will actually show you how to do it because they get paid when you do it. And I can tell you what, they want to get paid. They like it. And so can you. So faster wealth building through good management because you're protecting your asset. That property is going to appreciate. It's going to get higher. The value is going to go up because you're taking care of it and because your tenant's in there, right? These assets are valued based on the income. So the debt pay down, again, as you pay down your debt, your wealth gets bigger by that amount. If you pay down $1,000 of debt, guess what happens to your wealth? Goes up by $1,000. Your net worth goes up by $1,000. Who in here tracks their net worth? I love it. If y'all want to know who's successful now or on their way to success, look at the people who just had their hands up. If you're not tracking your net worth, you don't know if you're actually getting more successful, if you're going in the right direction, right? If your net worth goes down, you need to change things. If you don't know that it went down, how do you know to change? Y'all hear me? You good? Yes. All right. So paying down debt allows you to build wealth faster. So good management helps you do these two things: increase cash flow, increase net worth. And that's the goal of rental property investing right there. All right. So what does bad management do? Well, it's kind of like the opposite. So yeah. Now we're talking really, hard stuff here, guys. All right. So bad management, well, it takes away your cash flow. Little or no cash flow means little or no fun, no freedom. You're not paying your bills. It gets difficult. All right. We are buying, and some of you in this room, I know some of our deal partners are buying properties from landlords that simply had bad management. Who's seen properties out there that you're like, why the heck is this so cheap? Right? Rochelle, that one you sent me today, don't scream it out because I need it. But you know what I'm talking about. It's just bad management. That landlord can't pay the mortgage anymore because it's vacant. And it's vacant, and now they can't afford to fix it up because they can't pay the mortgage, so they can't fix it up, and so they can't get a new tenant. It's a downward spiral. Okay? Expenses start to add up. Tenants turn over. If it's not a good property, if that tenant's just there because this is the only thing available and it's the cheapest, they're not going to stay. Again, vacancy, maintenance, it all piles up. Wealth destruction. And this is the big one. Hey guys, real quick, it's Andrew, and thanks for listening. I just want to give you a couple of tips. Go over to dealfindersclub.com/resources to get more information on the things that we're talking about today, some downloads and some links to some of our partners that can help you do your business better. And if you want to get connected and join us at some of our live events, check out the events page right there on dealfindersclub.com. And if you're ready to build, reach out through a message or chat with us through the website. You can find us there. And hey, as always, like, share, and subscribe. We'll talk to you soon. When your net worth starts going down because of real estate, you're in a bad deal or you've got bad management. Okay? So we look at asset value can actually decrease. Has anyone ever heard that real estate always goes up? Yeah, it's okay. I've heard it. Yeah, real estate never goes down. Well, over long periods, 100 years, 30 years, yeah, the land value is going up. But that property, that house value, it can go down in a hurry. If a tree fell in it, it went down. I mean, just kind of to be real and to be like current. But if you had bad tenants, right, I don't want to pick on you, but that one in Atlanta, the value at that moment when you got those people out was probably lower than when they got in, right?
They just took some bad tree fall about.
No, I'm sorry. You were here when we talked about it. I'm sorry. We had somebody. I'm sorry. We're going to have a prayer for you after. We're going to lay hands on Ryan after this. So, yeah. So, and I don't want to pick on him. It wasn't bad management. It's bad policy in the district the county where he was. You just couldn't get him out because of policy. But the value can go down of your property for bad management. Okay. And this is a big one. Our licensed people in here will get this, is the legal liabilities. Y'all, if you're managing it poorly and it becomes a safety hazard and you have a loose step and a tenant falls and breaks their ankle, guess who's responsible? Yeah, that lawsuit is going to say the property management name, but it's also going to say the property owner's name. And you're going to be in court defending. Ask me how I know, because I know. We've been there. And we were able to not lose that. Well, I say we not lose. They paid her something. But we didn't lose because we had proper management. We had records of when those steps were repaired and what the step looked like before they moved in and when they told us about it. We had records of what happened. And that's proper management. Okay? Bad management is how you lose those types of things. Okay?